In the last video, we have discussed about some basic technicalities of how to draw Fibonacci retracement. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about how to draw Fibonacci retracement as well as how to combine with the some particular price actions and how to make an entry with the Fibonacci retracement indicators. Okay, as usual, suppose, but as usual, as I am always saying, you need to be clear with your mindset. For example, you should be clear that you are going to make an entry for the downside or you are going to make an entry at the upside. Now, suppose if you look at this chart and if you really gone through each and every price action videos and you have given time to the market to understand and analyzing the price action in the live market, then only when I look at this chart, then only you are able to get one price action here, okay, with by only seeing the chart, okay, one or two price actions. Now what is the price action here? Let's see. Don't you think it's a double bottom pattern, right? Why double bottom pattern? See, look at it created the bottom at some support area. That's why it's a double bottom pattern. Now, what is our logic? What is double bottom pattern represent? The bullishness in the market. If you still don't know what is the double bottom pattern, then please, I'm kindly requesting you go and watch that video again and spend some more time in the market. Do not complete the course within a one day. It will really not helping you out. Not even this course, not even any other courses in the world which is make you a good trader within a one day. Okay, so you need to take a time. Okay, now let's take an example here. This is a double bottom pattern, sign of bullishness. So what I can do is I will mark trend line like this one, right? Trend line. I have the trend line. Now what is the confirmation? Double bottom confirmation, double bottom breakout confirmation. Okay, double bottom breakout confirmation. But if again I want to confirm the breakout and confirm the entry, because from the morning only market is dropping, so I will mark this much. Okay, why I mark like this one? I marked the high swing, and I marked the low swing. Okay, and this is also swings, but this is the middle swings, not the lower swings of the today. After marking this, you have the trend line. Now what you need to do is, see, market having the golden ratio of golden levels of 0.38% like this one. So as per our logic, what we need to do, and double bottom pattern, after breaking out trend line, wait for the retest and go for the entry at the retest breakout. So how much confirmation are here? Let's test again. First thing is double bottom pattern. Okay. Second thing is trend line breakout. Third thing is Fibonacci golden level breakout. If there is a combination of, always remember or note it down somewhere, if there is a combination of a breakout, either it is support resistance or the breakout of the trend line plus any golden or green, or this means 61%, 50% and 30% breakout, 30% level breakout are the same or nearest, then you should go and trade. Anyways, it's your choice to trade or not, but it's a good sign to trade and with the multiple confirmation. So in this trade, double bottom pattern, trend line breakout, as well as we need to enter at this golden level breakout. If you observe here, market moved up from 39,390 rupees to 39,500, almost the rally of 110 rupees. Okay, so this is the big rally. 100 point is a bigger in the market. Okay, and we will get momentum in the market. If you are option trader, option buying is nothing but capturing the momentum in the market, and you will easily able to capture with the help of Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so what I meant to say is there are total again two types of entry we can do here. First, either breakout, swing breakout plus confirmation of golden level breakout, or you are experienced trader, then I will suggest you after breakout it will take a retest. After retest it take a retracement of 0.23, like here you can buy here and place order, stop loss here, buy here. The reason why buy here, to confirmation, because we know from this onwards market will now not move downside, because after giving breakout it took a retest and you can buy here at a second green candle. Okay, so there is a high chances that market will move upside only. So you will get early entry and you are able to book a maximum profits. But I'm personally, what I'm personally doing, even if I'm considering me as advanced trader, not an advanced that much, but as a good trader, because I'm easily able to capture the profitable trades, as well as I'm easily restricting my loss nowadays. So after breakout, after swing breakout, I'm entering at this position. That's my correct entry point. Okay, I'm telling you in my personal point, personal experience. Hope you got my point. So this much confirmation you can trade. So again, what is the logic behind market is moving this much faster at upside once market broken the Fibonacci trend line, Fibonacci retracement level? As I said, what Fibonacci retracement represent? The market, seller pushing market, seller are pushing market to the downside. So that means seller are combining. For example, here one seller, here two sellers, 1 plus 2, here we can see 3 sellers. These 3 sellers will push market towards the 5 sellers. So what will happen? This all sellers stop loss will hit at the same time. So when your market break this level, that means buying will happen, and this is the breakout trade. So buying will happen. That's why market is moving this much faster. Okay, now what is the confirmation? Double bottom pattern, trend line, as well as Fibonacci retracement. So why we need another confirmation? If this much confirmation you can see, then it's good to trade in the market. Okay, this is the first trade I am seeing in the chart. What is the second trade? See again, if you want to enter at downside, see, if you observe here, the left shoulder, head and right shoulder in the market. Okay, what is the neckline? Neckline is this one, right? And what is the retracement level? Again, golden level, 0.5%. That means there is a high chances that market will at least touch one more level or two more levels. That is the probability, and then only market will touch this, then only retrace and market will move downside or completely reverse. So we will get easily able to get rally by using the Fibonacci retracement levels. Hope Fibonacci retracement is clear for you. Please do not make a mistake to skip this topic, or if you not understand, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, but always try by yourself, then only you are easily able to capture the movement in the market, as well as you are easily able to understand how to draw and how to utilize the Fibonacci. I am always using Fibonacci for the breakout levels. Some people are using Fibonacci for the entry level. For example, market is moving upside and they don't know how to enter. So what they will do, they will just mark Fibonacci high swing to today's low. Today's low means, if I mark this one, wait, I need to remove this one. Just a minute. Just give me a minute. I need to remove this one so that you are easily able to understand. See, what people are doing is, people are marking low and high like this one. Okay, what is the high? I am marking based on today's high. I am not considering this is happening. So what they will do is, after taking retest, after market moving upside, taking retest, they will enter at the retest level, like they will enter at the bottom levels, so that their stop loss will be secure. Okay, but I'm not suggesting you to go to this strategy, because as a beginner this strategy will not, this strategy will not make you convert you into good winning rate ratio. So always wait for the breakout strategy, or always go with the breakout strategy at least when you are the beginner, so that you are easily able to restrict your losses. After that, it's your choice how to combine the price action and Fibonacci retracement. There are multiple ways to utilize the Fibonacci retracement, but in my point of view, as per my personal experience, I am explaining you what are the way I am following. I am not telling you can only follow that way. There are infinite number of ways to follow Fibonacci retracement with some indicators or with some price actions, but this is the best way. I'm not telling you only double bottom pattern. There are maybe inverted head and shoulder will be there, or if you want to enter for the downside, then also same thing will happen. You need to draw the Fibonacci retracement level, and if you see any downside movement for the Fibonacci retracement, then mark it and make an entry like this. If I mark like this one, what I will do, because I am making at the downside entry, this is the inverted head and shoulder. This is the inverted head and shoulder pattern, like inverted head and shoulder pattern, which we discussed earlier as well. So what I will do, After I know this is the inverted head and shoulder, I will make an entry here only if I am pretty much confident that head and shoulder. And this much confidence you will get not within 1 day, 2 day or 1 week. At least you need to spend 3 months. Okay, 3 months to understand each and every price action, its logic, its stop loss, need to enter in the market, live market, control your emotions, then only you are easily able to understand. So you see how beautifully it works. Like it exactly took retracement from this level and again took reversal or rejection from 23 level. Then there is a high chances that it will drop. So I will enter here and my stop loss will be here. So I am able to book as much as possible, the more points, more profit and less loss. This is the logic behind the whole the video. Maybe this video may be longer, but hope this will help you in the future trade. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.